Alrighty, welcome back. So for our video today, we're gonna go ahead and paint the rims today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding them down. I wanted to make them the color that I wanted so bad, so I think it's time for a new look. I got tired of the white, so I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding those down with the sander, hit it, and then remove all that paint, and then go ahead and pick up the paint at Walmart. I'm not gonna show you guys the color yet. You guys will have to wait till the end of the video or close to the end to see the new color reveal, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so that's the next day, as you guys can see. So I went to Walmart just right now, picked up some paint and picked up some more sandpaper to go ahead and hit the sides. We fucked up yesterday. We hit it with like some thing, and it kind of scratched up all this, so I'm gonna have to end up hitting it with the 60 grit. And then this is the paint that I want. So it's the metallic dark metal by Krylon. So this color looks sick. When you see this in the light, it looks so badass. But this is the color I've been wanting to go for the RSX with those rims. You can see that color, so it has a little sparkle to it, so I'm excited to throw it on. But we're just gonna go ahead and finish off sanding and then probably paint it today and have it done by tomorrow, which I'm excited to look for. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so I just sanded these two rims down. I have the other ones over there, so I'm gonna start painting it. Just gonna go ahead and get started, start throwing this on there, see how it turns out, but I'm excited. There's gonna be some imperfections, but that's totally fine. I didn't expect it to come out perfectly, as the sanding is all made by hand, and honestly I already got a blister, but it's all worth it, you know. So I'm excited to get it that color changed to this color now. So I want to see how it looks, and I'm excited. Let's go. God damn. I just want to show you guys the color really quick. This color is fucking sick. This is a color I've been wanting for a while, and I'm excited. Look at that. That's the first coat. This color, this Krylon thing, grab this thing. This thing paints really well. Like, geez, I kid you not, it looks so clean. But I'm gonna get this one started. I got the other paint over here. I got 4 of these. So I'm excited to go ahead and throw these all down and get them going. Let's go. So after 2 hours, I'm finally done hitting all these rims. Pretty much set. Shout out to Krylon for the paint. This paint is really good. Like, if honestly, I still have like the rest of the other paint sitting over there. That honestly, I think I could have gone with 2 bottles, as it only took like half to paint one rim and another half to paint the other one. So I could have probably done it with 2. And this paint really sticks on good. It doesn't dry off, as mentioned right here. It says no runs. Oh my god, can you focus? No runs, no drips, no errors. So there's really no like runs or anything like that. The way it sprays is perfect. It's honestly, if you guys are looking to paint your rims, this is definitely the spot. But that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna let these just dry off for a bit and then clean the car tomorrow, throw them on, show you guys how it looks. Once I'm done, I'm probably gonna do a photo shoot, throw it up on my Instagram. That way you guys can see the full thing on there, but you guys will also see it on video. So I'm excited, finally done. I've always wanted to have these for a while, and yep, it's there. So there we go, that's the setup. I'm happy with that. I fucks with that a lot. We're just gonna wash it down because it's been sitting, and with the rain and everything like that, the sun, it's just been dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean them, but I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm excited to throw this on, and I'll probably be taking some pictures today of it, so let's go.